What is up, guys? You're watching another video. It's funny, we're actually on our way to Huntington Beach right now, and we literally run into DDE on the freeway. That's crazy, bro. That car looks insane in person. I can't get that close because I'm not trying to hug the back person or the front person from the back, but bro, that car looks insane. So sick. And I just realized that the last two clips did not have any sound. Basically, I was saying we're out here because Chris is on a work trip, and that's the only reason why we're at this place. And that I was supposed to bring the Z, but it was pouring in San Diego, and you guys know we have the slicks in the back, so I really got trapped, and it would have been a terrible situation. But we were supposed to go to Cars and Coffee tomorrow. I just don't know if it's going to be San Clemente or if it's going to be Rancho Santa Fe. And then I said stay tuned at the end, and that was it. Look at this guy, guys. Look at this guy. He's over here traveling. Shut up. This fool, bro. Look, he had his whole room to himself, and he's sitting in the back on his phone.
I've been out all day.
Oh my god, bro. But anyways, look at this view, though, guys. It's crazy. What?
Tell him what time you were gonna leave, though.
What do you mean?
What time you were supposed to leave?
Oh, no, I told him. It's because of the rain and all that stuff. I was supposed to bring the Z. I told him. But, guys, look at this view. It's incredible. It's insane. And you guys know we like watching the sunset. Imagine watching sunset here. That is a vibe for sure. I don't... what's crazy is I said this on my story on Instagram. It's like, to us, right, it's like an everyday... Not every day, but sorry, it's a getaway for us, right? But like some people, they actually live like this. They come home to this, they wake up to this. That's crazy. Even if I were to live like this, I don't think I'd ever get used to this. This is crazy.
Alright guys, this is behind the scenes of Robert's videos. This man really be like this all day. Stuck on that little device. He be saying, let's go, let's go, let's go. And then I'm ready to go. And then he lays down. You can't even see, bro. It's kind of dark. Y'all want to see what he's doing? He's looking at this video.
YouTube stuff, always. And welcome back. It is the morning time. I gotta show you guys what it looks like right in the morning. Like I said, this will never get old. Cars right there too. So think about parking here, right? Because it's a hotel, so it doesn't have like self-parking. You have to like valet, but obviously you gotta pay for valet. So we did street parking. It's $3 an hour, right? So your man's just risked it. I keep saying risked it. Risk.
You really want to say a biscuit?
I risked it. I still can't say it right. I risked it.
Risk it.
Whatever. You guys get the point. You guys get the point. Long story short, I didn't pay, and we ain't got a ticket. So long story short, if you come over here, you ain't gotta pay for parking.
I don't do illegal stuff.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a first timer here that's actually never been to San Clemente Cars and Coffee, so that's the reason why we're here. Main objective at 992 GT3 RS. That's the thing. When you come here, is this yours, sir? Yeah. Crazy, bro. That's wild. The thing is, when you come here, you're always bound to see something that you would never see anywhere else, bro. That's crazy. You can smell the E too. That's crazy. How much power is it pushing?
300 with wheels.
300?
That's a lot for this little car.
Yeah, bro. That's crazy. So this has to be a sign, man. Like I said, you guys know that the next car that we want to get is the E92 M3.
So did you know?
But you basically have the same seats though, huh?
You know the one humps are more expensive?
Wait, the what?
One humps?
What do you mean?
They call it one hump, there's no screen. There's only one hump you get on the dash.
Oh. Yeah, wait, you're talking about the center dash, right?
The top.
The top.
The
one hump is the speedometer, and then there's another hump for the screen. You know what I mean? You see how it humps?
No.
No, like here. I'm literally talking about the hump.
There's one hump. There's normally two humps.
Yeah, because the screen makes the second one. So
I don't know what screen though. I'm trying to remember.
Just the regular, the one that people make Apple CarPlay. The screen, bro.
Okay, yeah, well, that's what I'm trying to remember because
screen right here.
There's okay. Does yours have a screen?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know why I can't remember. I think
These
I'm
are more expensive, and it's 6 feet.
Yeah. Oh shoot, you're right. Damn. Hey, bro,
This is everyone's dream spec.
This is clean, bro. Even the
carbon
though. That's crazy.
Everyone's dream spec, right?
That's crazy. Yeah, this is sick, bro. I would definitely full send this.
I need this corner.
Well, look, see his wing is satin, so it kind of matches the lip. Because he was saying how he doesn't like that the lip is
I think it's flashy.
satin. Yeah, I kind of like it though. It's different. Because normally like the carbon fiber is like shiny, as you guys know, but he has it as dry carbon. This is sick though, bro.
I like those tips.
I like it lots.
It's like that one's bent.
It says no nav. Maybe that's what he's talking about because there's no screen.
Yes, that's exactly what he's
And everybody knows that this is the most expensive. Okay, I see. See, if I would have read that, I would have never understood that.
Yeah.
Now, I know y'all have never seen a more perfect Miata than this, bro. Look at this. Boosted, supercharged. Normally they supercharge it, turbocharge it, which is weird, but it's cool. That instant power, but dog.
And I actually had the car at his shop, so we cut the.
That's crazy though. Looks like it's been done right. Yo, this super. Now I know you guys think they played out, whatever, but you gotta admire one that is done right. I kind of like how he has the stretch on the tire too. The tire to wheel.
It's R888.
That's pretty cool. Got the windows down so you can see the aftermarket wheel. I wonder if his airbag lights on.
I wonder how much time it took him to get a wheel.
No, it's this is clean though. I personally would own a Supra. I've said that in the past. I would personally own one. I drove one multiple times and they were pretty sick, to be honest. It's just crazy how big this hood is though. Obviously it's an aftermarket fender. Now, bro, I kind of want to do something like that on the Z. I think that would look sick, how you have like the fender going in like that and it kind of shows the tire. I've always loved that look. So look, we saw this M2 coming in, right? Guys, look how clean this is, bro. Oh my. Dog.
I don't think you can get any better fitment than that.
No, that's that.
But hold on, you remember you said you didn't care about these wheels?
Okay, but it looks clean on here though. Dog, this is. Hopefully you guys can see the interior without the reflection, but he has a cage, right? Carbon buckets. It's like blue. I don't know if you can see because the reflection might mess it up, but let's see if I can get you the rear end.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Bro, this is crazy. You can kind of see back here actually. So you see the carbon buckets with the cage. Dog, this is hard. 10 out of 10, easily. We came here to see a 992 GT3 RS and we got it. Does it wing? Oh yeah, it goes.
Did we just admire this wing?
I've never seen yellow though.
Bro, it's like that's upstairs. Like that's clean.
Dog. Hold on, let me see. Let me get this rear end. Look at that. I gotta get you guys a side view. Look at that body line, bro. In the rear of the tire, all the way up to the fender in the front. One day, someday. One day, someday. Let's get that interior. The yellow seats. Just look at it. Not another one. No way, bro.
Wait, this wing is different.
Oh, yeah, it's not a carbon.
It's not. No. Okay, that too. But he has it pushed right now.
Oh yeah, he has it.
So the air goes up. Right?
Yeah, this is.
That's so sick.
I'm telling you, check it out, guys. My birthday is coming up. If any of you guys want to get me a birthday gift, here it is right here. I got the 992 GT3 RS, bro. Dog. I don't know why everybody's around the yellow one. I mean, maybe because it's brighter. This got yellow calipers though. Still got the yellow seat belts. It's weird how this is not active though, right? Is it? There's a whole, okay. I'm tripping then. I love this body line on the bumper though, how it cuts and then has this vent.
It says push here. I want to push it.
What?
It says push.
Push it.
No.
Push it, bro. Push it. Check it out. So we have a 911 GT3 RS, right? You guys see how we have the pink accents? So we have black and pink. We got pink cage.
It has little pink accents over there.
Yeah, that's kind of sick though. You know, I mean, you don't really see it like that. Yeah, that's sick. I love how it's like, bro, that's like so profound in the back though.
So far, like,
and ladies and gentlemen, there is another one. Dog, there's never been 3 all in the same spot. I said we were gonna see 1, not 3.
Actually, I don't know.
So
Gray
you have
black?
yellow, gray, and black. Which one?
Gray.
Gray? I would say the same. I would definitely say the same. Black's cool though. I mean, it's the only thing with black is it kind of hides the body lines.
Yep, you can't
know what I mean?
see everything.
Yeah, you can't see like that cut in the bumper. I mean, it is dramatic.
You can't see the carbon fiber that much.
Yeah, and this one actually has a carbon insert though. The gray one didn't for whatever reason. Yeah,
It
man.
needs a cage.
What I do like is the clear taillights though.
It needs a cage.
Regardless of neither. I thought it came stock with the cage though. That's weird.
It's optional.
Well.
I like when the whole thing lights up at night. It's just like one.
Oh yeah. You're right.
I think it's probably
those clears.
it's probably an option.
Since this one doesn't have the cage, you can clearly see the carbon buckets back there.
One cup holder.
Clearly.
Or they got 2 cup holders.
Because it's a driver's car, man.
Well, still got cup holders.
You want to color that?
I look like Christmas.
Yeah, the Porche, what is that, turbo? Thinking it is.
That's sick. GT3 FU.
Oh, so it's a GT3 then. Oh, no, it's probably a turbo and he's saying GT3 FU, like, screw the GT3.
Oh, like you can't afford it.
But no way he's going the other way, bro. I was waiting. Yeah, there's like that way. You can go around. Bro, I was waiting. The gray GT3 RS, the 992, just exited that way. I'm sad, bro. I was waiting for him to come this way. Woo-wee. That's sick because he has a skid in there too, so that's pretty cool. That'd be me. Sorry guys, here's our second chance. We got another RS over there leaving. He better come this way. Had to flex on us real quick. He's gonna do it too, watch. He's gonna do it. Watch. Wait for it. Wait for it. Full carbon fiber. Pagani wire dog. That's why he's gonna do it.
Right here, man.
Oh, this is the moment I've been waiting for. Yeah. No way. I don't wanna see, I'm gonna be considerate. I'm not gonna get into people's pictures, but dog. And he's young, bro. No way.
It's funny how it doesn't look like it has 10, but it has 10.
No way. Let me find his and his girls. He has the car and the girl, bro. Bro, give me the secret formula. That's crazy. Dog. Absolutely crazy. Look at that. So this is hours after the last clip was filmed. So to catch you guys up, I apologize, but to catch you guys up, after the meet, we came home, we watched a couple YouTube videos, took a quick nap, and then from here, we went to Irvine to eat, and then Chris went back home to NorCal, and then here we are. So not too much has happened, but I did drive the Z because I wanted to take it out, and we were actually gonna go to a meet, but it started raining, and Chris decided he wanted to leave tonight to go back home to NorCal, and things didn't really go as planned, right? So it's gonna be raining for like the next 4 days or so. So the Z is pretty much gonna be put up. If you guys don't know, it's because we have a drag pack in the back, and that's the reason why we can't drive in the rain, because those tires are not meant for the rain. Driving in the rain is extremely sketchy. But this is all that I have for this video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.